Hi there, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the size of captions text in the IMDb app on your Android phone. Whether the default font is too small or too big, you'll learn how to customize it to fit your needs. First, open the IMDb app on your Android phone. Next, make sure you're in the Account section. Then, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap on Video. Now, tap on Caption Style. This will take you to your Android phone's caption settings. In the caption settings, scroll through the list and tap Text Size. You'll now see several options like Very Small, Small, Large, and Very Large. Choose the text size you prefer. The change will apply automatically when captions appear in videos within the IMDb app, and that's how you can easily adjust caption text size in the IMDb app. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe and check out our channel for more useful Android tips.